Bedtime Stories made for you by Diggy and George. Hadassah. When King Xerxes ruled the Persian Empire, he found himself looking for a wife. All the young maidens in the kingdom were taken to the palace and given beauty treatments for a year, after which they were sent before the king for him to pick his wife. When Hadassah was taken, her cousin Mordecai told her not to let anyone know she was Jewish, as they were hated and mistrusted among the people. So she called herself Esther. The king was charmed by Esther, and he picked her to be his queen. During her time as queen, an evil man named Haman convinced the king that all the Jews in the kingdom needed to be killed. When Mordecai found out about the plan, he sent word to Esther and told her that she needed to speak to the king. Esther was afraid, as it was forbidden to go before the king without being summoned. Only if the king was pleased and held out his scepter was the person accepted into his presence. If he did not, they were to be put to death. Mordecai told Esther that she had to try to speak to the king because God had put her in a high position so that she would be able to save her people. Queen Esther then commanded all the Jews, including herself, to fast for 3 days, at the end of which she went before the king. The king was so pleased with his wife that he gladly held out the scepter to her. She told him everything, and Haman was put to death. The Jewish people were given permission to defend themselves if anyone tried to attack them. In this way, Esther saved her people.